kakra me can say I won't say I say we are saying I won so at here and our relationship BBM wajuma wo ya sorry awoko we know said there's a possibility say ubitimi afom
okay
Jamaica what you say yenye Jesus Christ yenye abofo anything na ukupim mo mrase bedwama they have privileges committee I will be bibi na wan kan ye we refer the person to the privileges committee recently NDC aban betra konya so omoko ayira finance minister can refer to few koskata ya kwese nyema wo hono majority leader he came to apologize. So the issue is not about the SNO. One,
apologize on behalf of
me say
yeah. Say I'm trying. But he's talking about.
I'm making reference to the fact to say when you acknowledge say ibia me can say we man can yi it's mumfanya de enfancheme. Okay, another chopper by so say majority leader they have accepted the apology and I'm a boy. The Amichen said the most important thing is nipa adie bia obeya anko yi no ubenye nu especially when people raise you say we there that wasn't how can you say one can say you have to be remorseful and go back and then what apologize and actually how we should recognize the views of other people relatively to the bia what can I say the why but ye kind na okase bia chin I mean pachowa then it raises a lot of questions about you.
Okay.
So the most important thing is say the okayen waba bonten wabe pacho. On the other side, me per se no NDC fwe, including me nua opoku out here. They should try as much as possible say the position of the minority leader. Okay, they will respect it. Right from the onset at this parliament, they don't recognize them.
You think so? Even recognize you.
No, they even the name callings. Okay, micro minority. The form of intimidation. So say ye pesi ye ka dom kuma e wo mrase bi dwom ne se. All because say mono the kind of majority am enjoy no. Bronika be two tests. Yes, e bin sida. Nti I to say oh yin titi omo fa hodie so yin bukam enform so e wo mrase bi. And when it happens that way whoever is the leader of that minority, the micro minority, no. So wamanani anya ding, I'm finding na in C form, okay, and putting certain things in place. The majority will feel like wait they can make me for myself. They will be this, and that is a gospel truth.
So you think that
the response you know NDC for a warm rasibe jomwa, omufisa omune dawson. Omufisa oma buying the power intino we can send MPP for crime parliament to crana. Parliament can have a sitting because they form quorum, okay, and they can do business. What just here? Inti sadia no ayamemo ni nyina yebu. And she say bia buying the ba mrasebedwam ade bia buying ya mrasebedwam bia no. They need the view of the opposition and I said the minority. Inti yem fun say we can just trample over them. He may also deliberately undertake certain things. Ebema must more feel say adia okay and tesa. Oh, now why you offended?
Okay.
So what I say to you best.
Jimmie, you moving on.